Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy. This is the base subscription. It is $12 a month as a subscription, and it's a sample. You get to try samples of different beauty products, but also there's a full-size makeup bag every month, and a lot of times you do get full-size items. So let me go ahead and open up. So this is the April bag. Very cute, very much, oh look, some lip zipper pull, and it is very fresh, very springy, spring turns to summer kind of thing. Okay, so you do get this little description in each glam bag, they call it. This is April Force of Nature. It tells you everything you're getting, and here we'll look at that later. And sometimes there's some ads or stuff on the back. I'm just gonna reach right in and see what we have. The first thing is Texture Smoothing Cream Cocoa Kind Moisturizer. So that is a moisturizer. It says with celery super seed complex, plumping and retexturizing for bright youthful skin. So that's a, they call these deluxe samples, kind of the bigger samples that you can use several times. The next thing in here is Trick and Treat Hey Honey Lip Balm. I've used Hey Honey a few different times, and I do like their stuff. I think I'll enjoy using this lip balm. It says it's watermelon with a natural tint. So that's nice, and I use lots of lip balm. Oh, and then a Milk Kush Mascara. This looks like a deluxe sample, 3 milliliters. I'm not sure how much that is, but anyway, I will try that. I've been wanting to try the Milk Kush Mascara, so that'll give me a good idea whether or not I like it. And sometimes I've been using this. I got in an Ipsy. It's a Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash mascara, liquid lash extension mascara, and this was a sample, and I've been using it for the last couple months. I love the mascara samples because you can use them for a few months and then toss them out when you're supposed to toss them out, you know, like I think every 3 months, right? So that's one of the reasons why I love the samples, because I kind of use them up in about that time anyway, and then I'm ready for the next sample. Keeps it fresh, you know. The next thing is Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. This is, I'm guessing this is, here I'll just, so it's a small sample size, and it is for your face, smooth onto clean skin at night. So Sunday Riley moisturizer. And then the very last thing is Kokie Crystal Fusion, a full size liquid eyeshadow. And Kokie is a brand, it's a drugstore brand that I really love. I really love them. I've used a couple of their products, and I feel like they're really high quality for not even for a drugstore, you know, but like really high quality. And it is drugstore with the drugstore price. So, but anyway, this is a full liquid eyeshadow from Kokie, and I definitely use this. It's really pretty. It's in, I can't read it, it's way too small. It's rose gold. It's a rose gold shade. Anyway, that is everything in Ipsy this month. Do you get Ipsy? What do you think of Ipsy? Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.